Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make this yummy, delicious porridge yam. So stay tuned while I take you through the process. Yeah. You see how cute it is? So first thing, you need your yam, onions, fish, oil, and you cut your yam into cute tiny cubes anyway. Your crayfish, your bonnet, which is optional, your Maggi and salt, as you can see, your diced onions, your spinach, because what is porridge yam without vegetable? Your smoked fish or any one you want. The blended pepper, red bell pepper, and other ones. Anyway, yeah. So let's get through the process. So the first thing you need is cut your fish into tiny pieces like this. Yeah, you see, I had to take out all those excessive things that came with it. And then I put into my bowl and then I wash it. And after washing it, I'm going to dab it. And then into my bowl, I'm going to go in with my paprika, smoked onions, whatever, everything into the fish. And then I will add some olive oil to it. So I'm going to just turn this together and make sure that everything marinates into it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to put it on my air fryer. As you can see, I'm arranging everything and putting everything in place, which you can see for yourself. Anyway, so after I did that, I just go into the process of just prepping my tomato and some red bell pepper, as you can see. So, so this is my red bell pepper. So I use a whole red bell pepper. So you actually know something, right? If you don't know how to, if you want it to be really spicy, right? Use this green pepper. I promise you. If you use this green pepper, hey, it will be so spicy. So actually now that was after I finished blending it. Yeah. I did not blend anyway. I just chopped it on my food processor. I use my food processor to do everything. Oh my God. Since the day I bought this food processor, it's been a blessing. It's been a pure blessing to me because now I don't have to just chop my onions or do anything. So right now, this is me just cutting my yam. And let me tell you a little bit secret. Shout out to Southwest Farmers Market. They sell the best yam, the best yam, because since I came to America, I would keep complaining. Since I came to this America, I've never been lucky buying yam without any scratch. This yam did not just give me any difficulty of saying, oh, let me start cutting the bad side. No, it did not. I promise you, this is actually my first time. I bought this yam for just $10. It was so cheap. I was like, is this yam season already in Nigeria, or am I just capping for the yam to be $10, that tall yam that you see there, that tall yam, I call that yam tall because, man, it was $7, $10, yeah. Actually, I've been enjoying yam so much, actually. Yeah, I'm still enjoying it. Anyways, let's keep going. As you can see, I just have to take you through the process anyway. I'm sorry if it's too lengthy to watch, but I'm just trying to show you how to, that cultural girl, Oh my God, don't mind my voice. I don't like doing voiceover. I don't know why. I feel so tense when I'm doing voiceover. I don't know if I'm the only one anyway. So I went ahead to just wash the yam. Yeah. Yep. And I just, in a clean bowl, I kept just sticking my yams into it. You see how I cut it into cute, tiny pieces? Yeah, that's how you're supposed to. And then I clean my work surface. Then in my pot, I went in with my red oil, as you can see. Yes, and then I turn it. Then I went in with my diced onions. As you can see, I just had to fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes and let it fry, and I turn it, and then I went with my pepper mix. Yes, I turn it and let this cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. You just need to keep looking after it. Like, I had to mix everything together, I had to add my Maggi and my salt, as you can see. Yeah, I used about 6 to 7 cubes of Maggi. Anyway, when you're cooking such food, you have to just be adjusting the taste. Anyway, so I went in with my pomo, and then I keep stirring it. As I was saying before I got distracted, yeah, you see, I added my pomo and then I just stirred it together and then I covered it. As you can see, my pomo is already boiled. It was already tuned inside the atmosphere. So I went ahead to introduce my yam. You see how it is? Yes, very demure, very cutesy, very not splashing around. Yeah, and let it cook for about some minute. While I was cooking, I decided to chop my spinach, baby spinach. For your information, I told you guys I'm always thinking of doing voiceover. I'm sorry. This is just my first time. I don't know how to just add those background music on YouTube anyway, because every time I try adding that background music, it keeps just flagging and that pisses me off. Like, it pisses me off. I'll be like, oh, you guys are just wasting my time. I would have just added those and people would just be watching while I describe everything. Now, I had to take some yam out and then just match it with my small pot, and then I'm going to go into my pot with it, because I was like, are you not going to match together? Are you not going to marry each other? So that's why I did that. So I added my crayfish, as you can see, and I added my smoked fish. Yeah, my air-fried fish. Sorry, my fan. I call it smoked fish anyway. So I just stirred everything together, and then I cover it to cook for a while, and then look at what we have. This thing have married each other already. So we added our spinach leaf to our porridge yam, as you can see. Yes, and it looks good. Oh my God, that looks cute. Oh my God, look at. Oh my God, I cook so well. Like, give me that credit. Give me that chef title. Give me that chef title. Don't blame me. I just had to show you everything. Then after that, I plate my food. Look at how cute. How cute. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.